Let's talk about the new way to systematize any business in 2025. AI has totally changed business forever. The old ways of managing operations manually or relying on outdated software no longer work. The market is evolving rapidly, and the hard truth is businesses that don't adapt won't keep up. I've totally embraced this and I'm loving it. So I wanted to take on this video and share what are the updates that you can do to systematize your business, streamline your operations, and stay ahead of the curve. While AI tools alone will definitely help with efficiency, this new approach will save you time, reduce costs, and scale your business efficiently. I want you to embrace this, and I want you to stay relevant for your clients and for your business so that you can keep making that difference you want. So let's get into it. Building a strong foundation is imperative. Start by reviewing your current systems and identify the gaps. Highlight areas that you need to focus on and get systems in place. Use ClickUp, Notion, Trello to map out workflows to simplify your documentation, and tools that can automatically generate templates for processes, saving you time, resources, and money. Remember, this is a process. Small changes lead to big changes. Every quarter, I'm updating what's working, what's not working, and what tools or tech stack do we need to stay relevant. Optimizing your sales and customer systems, right? You want to identify your biggest frustration in your sales or customer management. Get a clear process to address it. Whether that means automating follow-up or streamlining your onboarding, use HubSpot AI to analyze your sales data and suggest optimizations for your funnel. It's so juicy. What systems are working and what systems aren't working? Could it be automated or could it be improved upon? Now, you don't have to do it. That's why we have operations people. We want to document processes to ensure consistency going forward. We've got to track key metrics. Focus on what matters. What are the key metrics that drive your business? My operation teams does this for me. I don't do it. Remember, delegation? That's the key. The numbers show me what's working and what's not working. How's our engagement? What's our conversion? How many leads are coming in? Where are they in the sales funnel? It doesn't have to be crazy information to give you informed decisions. Use a software called, I might be pronouncing it wrong, but Tableau. It's very robust. Or Power BI, Zoho to create dashboards that track performance in real time. These tools can help you identify what numbers to stay on top on without spending hours in spreadsheets. Again, your operations person can set this up for you. You have to understand it. I don't want you to waste dollar time on penny jobs. I want you to hire the expert, put them in place, and manage the results. We have to regularly review the process and adjust it as needed. Strategies for growth and differentiation. You need to identify, why am I different? What's unique? What are my strengths? What sets us apart? When using AI, use prompts that bring out your greatness. Take time to learn the software. Play with it. It can be really fun. Use AI sparingly and strategically. Like ChatGPT, we've all heard about it. It can help you create personalized email sequences or content, or scaling your marketing efforts. But we have to make sure you customize it. Don't let it be generic, right? Everything you need to do needs to be on your brand. I actually now prefer getting stuff that I can tell is from ChatGPT because it's way more thorough, way more professional, right? You see emails and you can always say, add your own personal stories, and so that you bring your personality into your business. I want you to plan your growth quarter over quarter and focus on just adding one new feature strategically, or one new improvement at a time. Focus and be consistent. Hold your team accountable to make sure that they're prepared for planning the quarterly meetings. You don't have to do it, right? Building the right team and executing effectively is imperative. Identify the roles your business needs and write clear job descriptions. Jim Collins wrote a great book called Good to Great. He talks about your business being like a bus, and you want to make sure that you have the right people on the right bus. Then you want to make sure you've got the right people in the right seat on the right bus. It's important to create results-based job descriptions, not tasks. I put examples in my book, Power Your Profits, so you can see how do you create a result-based job description. The reality is, The task doesn't matter. I don't care if it takes 10 calls or 40 calls to close a sale. That's all I care about. Did we do it or did we not? It makes managing people easier. We're managing results and not their behavior. Use a great tool called Workable AI. This allows you to create results-based job descriptions for free. Helps you streamline your hiring process by sourcing candidates and automating initial screening. Once your team's in place, use tools like Motion to help you plan out the task. I swear it's like magic. I love it. It's sexy. It manages schedules, ensures accountability. And Clara, that's another software. It's like a virtual executive assistant. It's truly a human interface as an employee that you can depend on. It's a conversational intelligence trained on high quality data, right? It's labeled and distributed efforts of smart people 24/7. So execution is the key. You gotta try it. Delegate tasks, hold regular check-ins, and use AI to track those tasks and task to completions and deadlines where it makes sense. Organizing tools for success is imperative. You want to divide your business documents into clear sections. I use Trello for this. Our sales, our marketing, our operations, and our finance. Again, this allows all our SOPs to have clarity and we all have insight on the same document. You can use Google Drive AI or OneDrive or Copilot to organize and sync your files, whatever you use, right? Just make sure everyone's trained. And so everything is accessible when you need it. So that's how you can systemize any business using AI. If you're a businesswoman and you've grown your own business, go check out my 100% free business health checkup assessments. We all love assessments. I do. The link's in the description below. It's a great starting point to see exactly where your business is, where it stands, and how you can scale differently in 2025. If you learned something from this video, make sure you like, subscribe, more importantly, tell a friend. Remember, you're in business for yourself, not by yourself, and we'll see you next time.